This is the Oatmeal Clear Complexion Facial Cleansing Bar. It's suitable for those who have oily skin, combination skin and also sensitive skin. We recommend in cutting the bar into 4 pieces and placing 3 of the pieces back into the box, keeping it away from direct sunlight and also any moisture. And then just keep 1 bar aside, the one that you'll be using constantly every day for your skincare. This helps to stop any cross-contamination and also helps to make the bar last longer. This cleansing bar will help to control any breakouts, reduce any redness, repair and heal, improves the complexion, reduces inflammation, washes away any dead cells, deeply penetrates and hydrates, and it feels so soft and smooth. It's very simple and easy to use. You would simply wet your skin first and then wet the bar with hot warm water, and this will activate the ingredients and create a slip on the skin. Then apply the bar onto the skin in a circular motion for about 30 seconds until you get a lather. Once you have done that, you can use your fingers to cleanse your skin for about 2 minutes. This bar is made out of shea butter, which is a great moisturizer without clogging your pores, oats, which is great for collagen boosting, honey, which is a great moisturizer and also hydrates, and coconut milk, which gets rid of any bad bacteria. This is an oil-based cleanser, ideally to be used day and night. This will melt away any of the impurities of the skin and melt the day off. You can also use this as part of your double cleansing routine. It contains no fragrances or alcohol. Once you have thoroughly cleansed, you would need to take a wet towel and wipe it all off, because oil and water naturally do not mix, and this also ensures that nothing is left behind on your skin. Once you have done that, you would simply go ahead and rinse as normal.